Imagine your money earning money. That's the magic of compound interest. Welcome to the world of financial growth, where a little money today can turn into a lot more tomorrow. This video is your guide to understanding compound interest, a key to achieving financial independence. Now, what is compound interest? Think of it like a snowball effect for your money. When you invest or save, not only do you earn interest on your initial amount, but you also earn interest on the interest you've already earned. It's like a money-making machine that works while you sleep. Why does this matter? Well, it's not just for the financial wizards. It's for everyone. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, your kids' education, or your retirement, compound interest can make your money grow faster than you might think. In this video, we'll break down the basics of compound interest. We'll explore how time plays a crucial role and share practical tips to make compound interest work best for you. So, buckle up as we journey into the world of compound interest, your key to financial independence. The basics of compound interest. Let's dive into the ABCs of compound interest. First off, what is it exactly? It's like a money-growing superpower. Here's the scoop. When you put your money in a savings account or make smart investments, you not only earn interest on your starting amount, called the principal, but you also earn interest on the interest you've already earned. It's like a little money snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger and bigger. There are three key players in this financial game. The principal, which is your initial amount, the interest rate, which is how fast your money grows, and time, which is how long your money has to do its magic. The cool part, the longer your money has to hang out and grow, the more it can turn into. Contrast this with simple interest, where you only earn interest on your starting amount. Compound interest, on the other hand, multiplies the fun by letting your money earn interest on the total it has become. In simple terms, compound interest is your money-making babies. Little baby dollars that grow into big dollars over time. The power of time in compound interest. Time is like the sidekick that turns your money into a financial superhero. The longer your money hangs out and grows, the more powerful it becomes. It's like planting a money tree. The longer it grows, the more money it can give you. Imagine you put $100 in a magical savings place that gives you interest. In the first year, you earn some interest. Now, in the second year, you not only earn interest on your initial $100, but also on the interest you got in the first year. It's like interest on top of interest, creating a money growth party. This magical growth happens because of the compound effect. It's not just about how much money you start with. It's about giving your money time to dance and grow. Even if you start with a small amount, if you give it lots of time, it can turn into something big. Think of it like a snowball getting bigger as it rolls down a hill. The longer it rolls, the more snow it collects. Time does the same thing for your money. The more time it has, the more it can grow. In the next section, we'll see real examples that show how time turns your money into a financial superhero. Practical applications of compound interest. Now that we've got the hang of the compound interest superpower, let's talk about how you can put it to work in your real-life money adventures. Think of compound interest like a sidekick in your savings account. When you stash money in a savings spot, the interest starts to kick in. But here's the cool part, the interest doesn't just sit there. It joins the money party. Your interest earns more interest, and suddenly, you've got a growing pile of money without lifting a finger. Investment is another friend of compound interest. Imagine you put some money in an investment. It could be stocks, bonds, or a mix of both. The magic happens when your investment turns not only on your starting money, but also on the earnings it already made. It's like having a money-making machine that works even when you're sipping lemonade on the porch. When thinking about retirement, compound interest becomes your retirement buddy. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to become a retirement fund superhero. Even if you start with a small amount, consistent contributions and the power of compound interest can build a comfy nest egg over time. Strategies to maximize compound interest. Now that we are riding the compound interest wave, let's talk about some savvy moves to make it work even better for you. Think of these as your secret weapons in the money-growing game. Regular contributions and automated investing. Imagine you're feeding your money tree regularly. Setting aside a bit of money each month for your savings or investments is like giving your tree a constant shower of growth. Plus, with automated investing, you can put your money on autopilot. It's like having a gardener for your money tree. It grows without you having to check on it every day, reinvesting dividends and interest. When your investments or savings earn dividends or interest, don't just let it sit there. Put it back to work. Reinvesting these earnings means they start earning more money for you. It's like planting seeds from the fruit your money tree grew, creating more trees and more fruit. Diversification for long-term growth. Spread your money love around. Diversifying means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Invest in different things like stocks, bonds, or real estate. This way, if one thing isn't doing so well, the others can still shine. It's like having a bunch of friends at the money party, each bringing something cool to the table. Pitfalls to avoid. Okay, we've got our compound interest superhero cape on, but every hero needs to watch out for villains. Let's chat about some common traps to avoid in this money adventure. High interest debt. Picture this. You have a credit card bill with high interest rates. If you're busy paying off that debt, the interest is working against you. It's like having a leak in your money bucket. Before you can fill it up, the leak, interest on debt, is draining your money away. Tackle high interest debt first to plug that leak and let your money work for you, not against you. Withdrawing from investments prematurely. Sometimes life throws curveballs, and you might feel tempted to dip into your investments. But here's the catch. If you take money out too soon, you're interrupting the compound interest magic. It's like planting a garden and digging up the seeds every few weeks. Let your investments grow and mature to reap the full benefits, forgetting about inflation and taxes. Inflation is like a sneaky ninja silently reducing the purchasing power of your money. If your money isn't growing faster than inflation, you're losing ground. Also, don't forget about taxes. They can take a bite out of your earnings. Keep an eye on these silent enemies to ensure your money is truly growing. Compound interest and financial independence. Picture this. Having enough money to cover your living expenses without relying on a paycheck. That's financial independence, the point where your money works for you, and you have the freedom to live life on your terms. Achieving financial independence isn't an overnight affair. It's a journey that takes time, discipline, and a sprinkle of patience. Set realistic goals, stay consistent, and let compound interest work its gradual magic. Hope you found this video valuable. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this.